Good morning.
Selamat pagi, it's Sunday and it's me Els
It's me, Stefan.
and we are with Us Adventures. And today we are going to Ubud
We're going to Ubud. We're gonna do rafting,
and ATV.
ATV riding. And we're gonna bring you on this adventure. See you later.
Ini ATV sama rafting?
Ya.
This is plastic sock, ya.
Yeah.
Cover your face like that. Ini juga ikut sama. Ya.
If you go fast, maybe 1 hour. If you go slow, maybe 1 hour, 10, 15, 20, 25.
I think we are ready.
No.
You're not? Waiting for the guide, for the explanation for the ATV. There are a lot of ATVs here, so I think it's gonna be fun. Are you ready? That's it first. You're halfway.
Halfway
What do
here.
you think about it?
It's great, it's amazing, but you know what? My brain is like shaking.
That was really fun. Really a recommendation when you are in Bali to do the ATV riding. Really, really cool. Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
Nervous? Why are you nervous?
Because I don't know, just nervous.
Yeah, we made it down. This was a whole adventure already.
Oh yeah.
The boat, the street, they have you swimming together. Okay, jump. Your guide you come and jump, shake your bum in the boat like this, jump. Yeah, jump. No, jump in the water. Yeah. Only shake your bum in the boat only. Any question?
No. Hello. Yes, can I have a bintang, please? Do you want something to drink? Yes, how about you?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good.
Cheers.
Cheers. We are halfway with the rafting, having a short break. It's a little bit less rain as it was before. Having a drink. It's not, don't drink and drive, but drink and rafting, I think that's fine. After this is still around 5 kilometers to the place. The lunch is included, so we will have lunch there. And after that, we probably go, depends on the weather a little bit. Otherwise we go to Ubud. That was the rafting, and now we have to walk all the way up again. We just finished the lunch. Els is looking at some photos and videos from the ATV and rafting for the Instagram or whatever. The lunch here was really good. I did some rafting here before, and then the lunch was like, here was good. So it's nice people recommend it. Stuff is good. So
The guide is.
When we got to Ubud, we found out about this huge ceremony called Karya Agung Penyenyek Bumi. This only happens about once every 30 years. It's done to bring balance and peace to the land. For weeks, the village worked together to set up everything. They put up all tall bamboo poles called pentur on the streets, decorated beautifully. The ceremony is really important to the people here, and everyone is involved. We were so lucky to see this special part of Balinese culture we haven't seen before. Time to head back home.
Yes.
Beautiful day.
Yeah, beautiful, fun.
A bit tired. That's why we're heading home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
And comment.
And comment, of course. And then we see you next week. Bye.